don't know what that was. Hey guys, welcome back / to my YouTube channel if you're new here. Hi, my name is Flo and today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this makeup look that I am currently wearing. I'm not quite sure what this look is meant to be. It's just a sort of glowy, glam everyday makeup look that I might wear if I'm going into town or if I'm going to see my friends or something like that. So yeah, I'm going to be doing a voiceover in this video because, as you can probably tell, the audio on this camera isn't amazing. So yeah, I really hope that you enjoy this video and let's get into it. So I start by using the NYX Honey Dew Me Up primer. I love this because it really makes my skin look very glowy. Then I take the L'Oreal concealer in the shade 3N and just put that on the middle parts of my face. Next, for the outer parts of my face, I take this Huda Beauty concealer in the shade 18N Granola, and I just put that all around the edges. To set that, I take the Huda Beauty setting powder in the shade Sugar Cookie. Next, I am filling in my brows using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Dark Brown, and I'm just using a spoolie to blend it out. Then I'm going to conceal over my eyelids using the same L'Oreal concealer and just blend it out. And again, I'm just going to set it with the same Huda Beauty powder. Next, I am contouring around these edges of my face using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Bronzer in the shade Saddle. Next, I'm highlighting my face using the MAC highlighter in the shade Oh Darling. I felt like adding some freckles to this look. I always do freckles with my makeup looks, so I'm just using some face paint to do that. Just to add some more depth to my eyes, I'm using the same bronzer shade that I used on my face on my eyes. Now I'm just doing some simple winged eyeliner using the Kenzie Beauty eyeliner pen. And now I'm just adding some mascara using the Ardell Volumizing Mascara. Now I'm using the P. Louise gloss in the shade Holler. Finally, I'm just fixing my makeup using the MAC Prep and Prime spray. So, what is that doing? So that is the end of this look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching, and yeah, let me know in the comments what you thought, and don't forget to like and subscribe. So I'll see you very, very soon.